Driving free traffic to your WordPress website is totally doable and it doesn't require magic or a massive budget. In this video, I'll show you how to get free traffic to your WordPress website. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress into your preferred browser. And then from here, head over into the plugin section. So make sure to set up SEO foundation, such as installing a plugin, so such as Yoast SEO Premium. So this tool will allow you to optimize your site title, meta descriptions, and permalinks. So submit your site to Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools and use keyword search tools like Uber Suggest or Google Keyword Planner to find low competition keywords. Another thing you can do is to go ahead and create high quality content, so focus on solving problems or answering questions your audience is searching for. So use clear headings, bullet points, and visuals to make content engaging. Include internal links to other posts or pages on your site and aim for consistency, such as posting weekly or bi-weekly. Now, the last thing that you can do to be able to get free traffic to your WordPress website is through promoting it on social media. Share your posts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. Join niche-related Facebook groups and participate genuinely, and use Pinterest to create pins linking to your blog posts. Add social sharing buttons to your WordPress post. And that is how you can basically get free traffic to your WordPress website. If this was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.